Hello everyone, today we speak about a new lesson which is operation on radical expressions. We know that we have four main operations in math, which are what? Ahmed, can you tell me?
Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Yes. So we have addition, yes, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay? We spoke before about like terms. Can you tell me what is the meaning of like terms?
Yes, Mr. Like terms means the same variables and the same exponents or
Yes,
powers.
the same variable and the same power. Yes. So in like terms, if we have, yes, 2x plus 5x, it will be what? Yes, they are alike or different? They are alike
Like,
because they have the same variable x and x. So it will be 2x plus 5x equal what? Equal
7x.
7x. Yes. At the same, we will do in radicals. Radicals, like radicals, mean they have the same number, okay? So if we have root 2 and root 2 in the second term, they will be radical. So 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2, it will be 7 root 2. As the same we did in addition, we will do in subtraction. 14x minus 4x, they are alike or different, Ahmed?
Alike,
Alike. So 14x minus 4x, it will be
10x.
10x. Excellent. As the same in radicals. 14 root 3 minus 4 root 3, it will be
10 root 3.
excellent. Excellent. Now, next page. This is simplify. Simplify 5 root 27 plus 6 root 3 minus 4 root 48. Okay? So, Ahmed, what are your notes here? They are alike, radicals are alike or different?
Different.
Different. Okay. So, what can you do here? Can you simplify
We
it?
must simplify. Yes,
Yes.
we can make the radicals alike.
Yes. How? You can simplify
By
them.
yes, by simplifying them. For
Yes.
example,
You
5
can
root
find out.
27.
You can,
Yes,
yes, simplify 27. You can find out two numbers. Their multiplication is 27, and at least one of them have or has a
will be
square root.
3.
Okay, so it will be 3
Yes.
times 9. Excellent. Now, 3 is prime number, so there is no square root for it. Okay, what about 48? It
Okay.
will be 3 times.
16.
Excellent. So now it will be 5 root 27, it will be 9 times 3 plus 6 root 3 minus 4 times 48, it will be 16 times 3. Now 9 is about 3 power 2, 16 is about 4 power 2. So the square root of 9, it will be 3, and you have 5 out, so it will be 3 times 5. Okay, root 3 plus 6 root 3, it will be the same. Now root 14 root 16, it will be, yes, 4, and you have 4 out, so it will be 16 root 3. Now it will be 15 root 3 plus 6 root 3 minus 16 root 3. Now you can add like terms, of course, yes. Ahmed, can you complete?
Yes, sister.
Okay.
15 plus 6 equal 21. Minus 16
Yes.
equal 5.
So it will be,
So it will be 5 root 3.
yes, it will be 5. Yes.
5 root 3.
Excellent. So if we have a radical like this expression, okay, 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3 minus 4 root 48, you can simplify radicals. 27, it will be 9 times 3, and 48, it will be 3 times 16. So in this one, you can add like terms. 15 root 3 plus 6 root 3 minus 16 root 3, it will be, yes, 15 plus 6, it will be 21. 21 minus 16, it will be 5 root 3. Easy, Ahmed?
Easy, mister.
Yes. And next page, he said what? Yes, multiplying and dividing radicals. Okay? If you have a square root of A times the square root of B, it will be, yes, equal square root of A times B. And
Yes.
if you have a square root of A over square root of B, it will be the square root of A.
Square root of A over B.
Excellent. So, example 1. Root 2 times root 8, it will be what? Yes? You can
Root 2 times
it will
8.
be, yes. So it will be root 16 equal what?
4.
4. Excellent. So it will be 4. Example 2. In example 2, he said root 2 over root 15 times root 5 over 6. Now, teacher, you can multiply, yes, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But, teacher, you have common factors between numerator and denominator. So, you can cancel. You can simplify 15, it will be 5 times 3. And 6, it will be 2 times 3. So, you can cancel 2, okay? You can cancel 2 with what? With, yes?
With 2.
With 2, yes. Okay? And 5 with what? So, wait.
5 with 5, mister.
Yes. So, I will cancel 2 with 2 and 5 with 5. So, the rest in numerator, it will be 1. Okay? And the rest
1,
in the numerator, it will be 3 times 3, it will be what? 9.
9.
It will be a square root of 1 over 9. A square root of 1, it will be
1.
It will be 1. Excellent. And the square root of 9, it will be
3.
what? 3. Yes.
3.
Example 3. 2 root 3 times 3 root 6. Now, teacher, you can multiply, yes, integer by integer. So it will be 2 times 3, it will be 6. Now, root 3 times root 6, it will be root 18. You can simplify root 18? Of course, yes. Teacher,
Yes.
root 18 is about 9 times 2. The square root of 9, it will be
3.
3. 3 times 6, it will be 18.
18.
It will be root 2. Easy, Ahmed? Okay.
Easy, mister.
And next page. Now, next page. Simplify. Now we'll take some practice here. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Now, Ahmed, you can solve by yourself if you
Yes.
have.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Exercise number 1. 1 over root 2. Okay. This number 1.
Okay, mister.
Number 2. 5 divided by root 10 minus root 5. Okay,
Okay.
you can solve it by yourself.
Yes.
Okay, you can start.
I will write text, okay?
Okay,
Or,
as you like.
wait. Handwriting is better. Okay. 1 over root 2. We know that root 2 is not allowed in the denominator.
Yes.
Okay. So we will multiply it in the numerator and denominator.
Yes.
So it will be 1 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2. So 1 times root 2 equals root 2. Okay. Over root 2 times root 2, it will be root 4. And we have the root of 4, so it will be 2.
Great job. Great job.
Right?
Yes. Excellent, Ahmed. Number 2.
The second one, we also know that radicals is not allowed in the denominator, so we will multiply by itself in the numerator and the denominator.
Hmm.
But we have here minus. So we will use the conjugate method to solve the problem. So 5 over root 10 minus root 5 equals 5 over root 10 minus root 5 times root 10 plus
Yes.
root 5
Yes. True.
over root again root 10 plus root 5.
Excellent.
Okay, first we multiply next step we will multiply root 10 with root 10, the first by first, and negative times positive equal negative. So I will write root 10 times root 10 equal, it will be root 100, and we know the root of 100, it will be 10. So it will be 10 negative times positive equal, it will be negative root 5 times root 5 second by second. So root 5 times root 5 equal b, it will be root 25, and we know that root 25 it will be 5. So we will write 5. Okay,
Excellent.
in the
That was the
numerator,
numerator.
yes, we have here 5. So I will write 5 times root 10 plus root 5. Okay,
Yes.
5 times root 10, wait, 5 times root 10
Wait,
equal,
Ahmed.
it
Wait.
will
Wait.
be,
Wait.
yes, yes, yes,
10 minus 5. It will be
5.
5. And you have 5 in numerator, so you can cancel.
Yes,
It will be
cancel
more
5
easier.
with,
Okay.
yes, cancel
You
5.
can cancel.
Wait. Yes, here we have 5 times root 10. Wait,
Okay.
plus root 5 over 5. We can cancel
Okay.
5 with 5, so it will be root 10
Plus what?
plus root 5.
Excellent, Ahmed. Excellent. Great job. Thank you, Ahmed. Okay. So, in this lesson, we know how to simplify any radical. Okay. I said we have 4 operations, 4 main operations in math: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what? And division. Okay. So, if you have alike radicals, you can add or subtract to them. Okay. As the same in multiplying, okay, you can multiply any 2 radicals. In dividing, I said if you have radical in denominator, is not allowed. Radical in denominator is not allowed. So you can multiply by it in each numerator and denominator. Okay. So and the same in practice, in this practice. So 1 over root 2 will be 1 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2. So 1 times root 2 it will be only root 2. Root 2 times root 2 it will be only 2. What about teacher in practice 2? 5 over root 10 minus root 5 it will be, yes, 5 it will be the same. Teacher, you can multiply by its conjugate, okay, to simplify it. So conjugate means the same, okay, the same expression, but you change the sign in the middle. So if it's negative, it will be positive. So root 10 plus root 5 over what? Root 10 plus root 5. Now teacher, 5 times root 10 plus root 5 in numerator. What about denominator? Root 10 times root 10, it will be only 10. Negative times positive, it will be negative. Root 5 times root 5, it will be only 5. Now teacher, you have 5 in numerator and 5 in denominator. 10 minus 5, it will be 5. So you can cancel it. So the rest will be root 10 plus root 5. Easy, Ahmed?
Yes, Mr. Easy.
Okay, Ahmed. That's enough today. Thank you and goodbye.